Today we'll show you how to download La Liga Sports in Spain Mages. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Just first go to Google and click like this and go to your YouTube, okay? And go now here to search and put here La Liga, okay guys, like this. Okay, here you will be find every match you want, like Barcelona v Celta Vigo, like this, and Real Madrid v Elvis, and you can make maybe all matches here, and this is La Liga channel. Okay, guys, just now we will now click to video and go choose one video like Barcelona v Celta Vigo. Okay, like this, guys. Just like this, and stop. This is ads. Wait one second, guys, to complete this is ads, and we'll back to you. Okay guys, now just stop. This is a video, and this is, did you see, this is true video from La Liga. It's okay. Just here go to download here and click, and here you can choose full HD high quality like a 1080 and 720. You can choose what you want. Okay, this is full HD, this is HD, this is 4080p, okay, and this is low quality. So we now need to test. Just click low quality and download like this, and here we will be click to view or go to here and go to download. It's here, and finally we now have this is a video in our YouTube. Download this when we now if offline like this maybe. Okay, did you see, guys? We can refresh and see this is a highlight without any connection. Don't forget like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.